Hey guys, Chris Bystead here at Bish's RV, and I have got some really cool trailers to show you. This is one of them. It's got everything that you want to have in it. This is it. And right now you can save around 16 grand on this thing. It's a very good deal. You want quality, but you want something that's got the bells and whistles and a great floor plan at a really good price. This is the thing, and you're on the right one. Let's take a look around the outside real quick, and then I'm going to show you the beautiful floor plan that this has to offer. Take a look. Right here is your pass-through. Nice big pass-through for all your gear that you're going to take. And it's all finished on the inside. Look right here, this is a special item right now, is you actually have a solar controller, solar panel up on the roof. That's going to save you a bunch of money and keep your batteries topped off when you're out camping and you're not plugged in. So it's a great dry camping trailer. Notice right here a power tongue jack. Makes it very easy to get it up and off of your truck, as well as power jack, stabilizing jacks on all the corners will come down, keep it stable for you. You don't have a lot of cranking to do, which I like. Back here you have a slide out. That gives you so much extra room when you're camping on the inside. And back here is all of your plugins, everything that you need to do your city water connection, all of that satellite cable, everything in one spot, nice and easy with a spare tire. And you also have a backup camera. So that is prep. To do is buy the monitor and the system. They're about $500 to $750 depending on what size of camera you want, but it makes it really easy to hook up and install. We don't have to do a bunch of wiring and things, which saves you money. Right here you're going to see that's one of the buttons right here for the power stabilizer jacks. You just press the button and it happens. No cranking, none of that. Now this has solid step entry. Very simple to put it away. Just like an airplane, folds right in, nice and easy. When you get to where you're going, they do have adjustable feet. These are really lightweight. Anyone can do this. Now on the inside, this is a really cool floor plan. We call this a rear kitchen. I got a buddy that calls this a kitchen out of the way. And that's kind of how they do it. It's a nice separation of space. And so you have a nice big pantry right here, loaded with everything that you need, that you can just put your food in here, brooms, vacuum, anything that you want can go in inside of here, and that's a lot of extra space. A lot of couples that want to take trips, oftentimes they want to go for a week or two, so you don't have to go to grocery stores every 5 minutes, you know what I mean? Right here you've got a microwave, a light and a fan, a 3-burner cook stove with an oven. What I think is special about this one is they have a little spice place right here that you can kind of keep spices that you usually cook with. That's pretty neat. Several drawers. And by the way, these drawers are all very nice. Metal slides, plywood, they're not going to fall apart on you. That's the beauty of buying a quality product. Got plenty of room up top for storage. You've got a nice big farmhouse stainless steel sink. And a lot of people love the fact that there's windows right here. And it is definitely usually a beautiful view out there when you're camping. And a nice size fridge and freezer. Slide out here, there's a comfortable place for you to sit. That is something that people really care about, is a comfortable place that they can actually hang out inside the trailer, because it does have a tendency to rain once in a while in Oregon. And it's nice to be able to get out and enjoy the inside of your trailer for a few hours when it's raining cats and dogs. This is a three-way pull-out bed, so it will sleep a couple people there easily and comfortably for you if you like. Now you do have a dinette right here, and this also makes into a bed for extra sleeping if you like, and some extra storage up above. What I like is this right here, which I don't have it hooked up to power, so I can't demonstrate it for you, but this is a televator. So you press a button, the TV comes up, and you can see it from your dining area, you can see it from your seating area. Really neat idea. When you don't want to look at it at all, it just goes away. Some people say, we love watching TV when we go camping. Press a button and there you have it. It's beautiful. Now you're going to notice arched ceilings. So if you're tall like me, you're going to have a lot of comfortable space to walk around. This is not a low ceiling trailer like some. And as we walk back this way, you're going to find a really ample bathroom. Got plenty of room for everything in there. Lots of storage, nice shower. Is all plywood decking. It's got a heated and enclosed underbelly, ducted AC all throughout the coach. It's going to be very efficient to keep warm and cool. And a lot of people really love the fact that you got extra light with this big, huge window right here. And by the way, all the shades are blackout for privacy. And if you want to watch a movie in the middle of the day, you can get it dark in here really nicely. Moving around, I want to show you this really great master bedroom. You do have the ability to shut the door for privacy. But you've got a place for hanging clothes on both sides. You've got a place for extra gear up top. Nice queen size bed. Over here, this is the game changer. You actually have a separate door with a hole that you can look out for safety to see if somebody's standing there. One other thing I was going to point out to you, which is really cool, notice that they're not using carpeting or that old shag carpeting stuff right here. This is really nice and thin, easy to keep clean, and for your slide out, and that makes it really nice. People love that. So anyway, I would love to show you this trailer in person or help you make a purchase. We've got several of these floor plans that are on sale. Like I said, you could save 16 grand right now. And boy, I would love to be the one that helps you make this dream come true. My number is 541-636-7878.